y'all figure out what you need?
It's just like you said, Mama Odie. We need to be human.
Ah! Y'all ain't got the same shit was born with. Y'all want to be human, but you're blind to what you need.
What we want, what we need is all the same thing, yes?
Ow! Is the same thing? No! You listen to your mama now.
Don't matter what you look like. Don't matter what you wear. How many rings you got on your finger. We don't care, no, we don't care. Don't matter where you come from. Don't even matter what you are. A dog, a pig, a cow, a goat, had them all in here. And they all knew what they wanted me to do. I told them what they needed, just like I be telling you. You gotta dig a little deeper, find out who you are. You gotta dig a little deeper. It really ain't that far. When you find out who you are, you find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshine, guaranteed. You gotta dig. You gotta dig. Prince Froggy is a rich little boy. You wanna be rich again? That ain't gonna make you happy now. Did it make you happy then? No. Money ain't got no soul. Money ain't got no heart. All you need is some self-control. Make yourself a brand new start. You gotta dig a little deeper. Don't have far to go. You gotta dig a little deeper. Tell the people mama told you so. Can't tell you what you find. Maybe love will grant you peace of mind. Dig a little deeper and you'll know. Miss Froggy,
Ma'am?
might I have a word?
Yes, ma'am.
You's a hard one. That's what I heard. Your daddy was a loving man, family through and through. You your daddy's daughter. What he had in him, you got in you. You gotta dig a little deeper. For you, it's gonna be tough. You gotta dig a little deeper. You ain't dug in far enough. Dig down deep inside yourself. You'll find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshine, guaranteed. Open up the window, let in the light, dearie. Blue skies and sunshine. Blue skies and sunshine. Blue skies and sunshine. Guaranteed.
Well, Miss Froggy, do you understand what you need now, child?
Yes, I do, Mama Odie. I need to dig a little deeper and work even harder to get my restaurant.